I will explain the importance of SQL in the context of SAP-HANA database by explaining the difference between HANA SQL and SQL scripting. For this, we need to understand what is programming paradigm. Programming paradigm means simply the style of programming. In IT, there are many programming paradigms, but the two most important programming paradigms are declarative programming and imperative programming. Declarative programming is the style of programming where we request the system to do what we want. Whereas imperative programming is the style of programming where we instruct the system how to do step by step to get the same work done. The advantage with declarative programming is programmer can delegate most of the work to system, whereas in imperative programming, programmer has to do most of the work. Another advantage is amount of code, development time and execution time will be very less in declarative programming, whereas in imperative programming, we get a lot of code, we need more development time to prepare the code, and system will take a lot of time to execute the code. And last but not least, the main advantage of declarative programming is we can avoid the loops. Without loops, we can perform almost the entire data processing. Whereas in imperative programming, loops cannot be avoided. Functional programming languages like Haskell, F# are declarative programming languages, and even web technologies like HTML, CSS, XML comes under declarative programming. Whereas regular programming languages like C, C++, C#, Java, SAP, ABAP, all are imperative programming languages. In the context of database, every database is offering both declarative features and imperative features. Example, SQL is declarative, whereas every database is offering its own imperative features also. Example, in HANA database we have SQL, in Microsoft database also we have SQL, in Oracle database also we have SQL. For imperative purpose, in HANA we have SQL scripting. In Microsoft we have transactional SQL, TSQL, and in Oracle we have PLSQL for imperative purpose. And moreover, databases are becoming more faster, powerful, and in memory. Most of the recent databases are in-memory databases. Example, Oracle database, Microsoft SQL Server database, SAP-HANA database, all are in memory. They are ready to do a lot of work at a very high speed right in the main memory of the computer, that is RAM. So the current trend is do as much data processing as possible at a database level. That means instead of writing application logic at application layer level, we should write most of the data processing logic at a database level. This introduces a new term in database analytics. To keep up with yourself with this trend, you should stop thinking in imperative and start declarative thinking. The concluding point is get proficiency in SQL select statement.